Waterfalls are a natural wonder of the world. We have waterfalls in every corner of the planet, and they come in all shapes and sizes. They are an important part of our natural environment, but many people don't know much about them. In this video, we will see the top 5 waterfalls in the world and the amazing features that make them so beautiful. Number 5. The Dettifoss Waterfall. 44 meters, 145 feet. The Dettifoss waterfalls are one of the most majestic and powerful waterfalls in Europe. Located in the far northeast of Iceland, the Dettifoss waterfalls are the most powerful waterfall in Europe, and the second most powerful in the world. The height of the falls is approximately 145 feet, with a width of 150 feet. The sheer power of the waterfalls is mesmerizing, and it is truly a sight to behold. Number 4. The Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is the collective name for 3 waterfalls that straddle the international border between Canada and the United States, more specifically, on the Niagara River. From largest to smallest are the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Falls are the largest of the 3 waterfalls, with a width of 2,600 feet, 790 meters, and a height of 176 feet, 54 meters. The American Falls are 1,060 feet, 323 meters, wide and 70 feet, 21 meters, high. The Bridal Veil Falls are the smallest of the 3, with a width of only 185 feet, 56 meters, and a height of 50 feet, 15 meters. Niagara Falls formed about 12,000 years ago when glaciers retreated and left behind a riverbed carved out by their movement. Number 3. The Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls is located on the Iguazu River on the border of Brazil and Argentina. The falls consist of dozens of cascades, including the famous Devil's Throat, which plunges 82 meters. Iguazu Falls are one of the most popular tourist destinations in Brazil and Argentina, and its admirers include everyone from scientists to celebrities. If you're looking for an unforgettable waterfall experience, put Iguazu Falls at the top of your list. Number 2. The Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls, also known as Mosi-oa-Tunya, is a waterfall in southern Africa on the Zambezi River between Zambia to the north and Zimbabwe to the south. The falls are about 1 mile, 1.6 kilometers, wide, with a drop of 354 feet, 108 meters, making them twice as wide as Niagara Falls and 1.5 times taller. The volume of water flowing over the falls can vary depending on seasonal changes in rainfall and river flow, but is typically around 11,000 cubic feet per second, 310 cubic meters per second. This makes Victoria Falls the world's largest sheet of falling water by combined width and height. Number 1. The Angel Fall. Angel Falls, Venezuela at 3,212 feet. Angel Falls is the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world. It is located in the Canaima National Park in the Gran Sabana region of Venezuela. The falls drop from the summit of Ollantaytambo, an isolated mesa, and plunge into the Churun River below. They are one of Venezuela's most popular tourist attractions.